How's it going, guys? Tuned to Drift here. We're here with my brother's Toyota Corolla Sr5, looking decent on some jack stands right now. Automatic, sadly, but yeah. So we're gonna get these control arms and axles in, and then hopefully once that's done, we'll plasti dip his trunk, side skirts, and then the GTS spoiler I gave him off of my Corolla that I don't utilize no more. So yeah, so that'll be a fun day. Hopefully, if we get to all of it, I really hope this all goes as planned. But yeah, we're gonna definitely get these. Make sure we get this axle popped in and fix the mounting bracket for the brakes on the other side. So busy day, fun day, and yeah. Hey guys, alright, we're back with the 88 Corolla. We actually got it fitted. Yes indeed. Like I said, we got it fitted. I had to basically, I took off the bracket, the mounting bracket, and the caliper, and then it just wasn't fitting in. So with all the suspension parts, so what I did was I applied pressure into here and here with both hands, pushing it, and then went all the way to the left, all the way to the right with all like my force, as much power as I had in me. And then slowly, I just felt a little like it went forward. So it just popped out, I guess, a little tiny bit. And it was enough for it to line up perfectly now. So now, just got to put on these bolts, and they should be good. We're going to walk around to the other side, and I'll show you guys how I did this. So, the mounting bracket. Alright, so the mounting bracket, this one was stripped. And it stripped kind of like right here. I don't know if you guys could see that, right in the beginning of the thread right here. So what we ended up doing was we took, well, I was gonna refret it with the tap and die over there, but instead I took the bolt, I lined it up with the thread. It was cocked like this all the way to the, to the right, and then I just put it on the floor, hit it down so it straightened up, and then use the ratchet and ratchet it into its thread, and it actually lined up perfectly. Took out the bad part of the thread, and now it's great. It's perfect actually. So I didn't need to use a tap and die yet. So yeah, neat little trick that I was able to do. Rare, but it happened. So we got that. We're going to go put that together. Once that's all together, yeah, should be good to go. Hopefully, fingers crossed, all that. So we'll be able to get her rolling again. The roller rolling. So at least this one, right? So we'll get that rolling. We'll get this paint stuff all situated, and yeah, we'll be tuned in. I'll definitely show you guys how we put it together and everything. So yeah, we'll slap it back together and let's get it. Alright guys, so we finally got my brother's Corolla wrapped up pretty much. So we got the mounting bracket and caliper on, we got the hub fitted with the CV axle, and we got the tie rod in good. So everything's pretty much together. We even got the bracket for the brake hose. So yeah, we just got the strut bolt, the mounting bolts here, had everything fitted. Everything came out good. Same, I can see the same with the other end. So everything's pretty much wrapped up. We're gonna put his rims back on and see how she dries. But I mean, overall, luckily it wasn't too bad of a day with this car. So it was not playing, it was still playing hard to get, to be honest, not gonna lie to you guys, but today was not a bad day. So we're gonna get these wheels fitted back onto the car, and definitely gonna see how she drives, handles, and everything. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna go make some more in-depth videos and how-tos on both this 88 SR5 Corolla and the GTS as well. So I'll definitely be showing you guys more on the 4AG twin cam on my GTS, and then some simple things on this 4AF. So we'll come back to it, do a little bit more how-tos, and yeah. So that's mainly it for the 88 Corolla project today. My brother did end up painting the side skirts. He ended up getting the wrong paint, but the paint still looks awesome. So kind of like a metallic gray finish, you know, plastic dip. So looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I really like how it came out. So props to him and how he did. He did pretty good. So right now we're gonna get this Corolla hopefully off of the jack stands, and yeah, hopefully I can say the same thing about mine. But yeah, pretty good car, man. I love his car compared to my GTS, even though it has a better engine. But his car looks sick, man. But you'll be seeing a lot more of this project on the channel. You'll be seeing mine. And I already went a little bit into the Mitsubishi Mirage. So you guys are mainly saw all the projects for the channel. So now we're gonna got her all torqued with the torque stick. Gonna lower it down, torque her with the actual torque wrench, and we'll be good to go, guys. Alright, my brother gonna start after a couple months. Give it a second. Give it a minute. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Come on. All we're asking you, car lords, car gods, come on, help us out. Our homie needs this car to run. Oh! Oh! Oh shit, there we go. Finally. Thank you, car gods! Woo! We got the car running, yo! Alright. Shout out to my brother's Corolla, guys. Badass, man. Oh yeah, guys, this is what we call victory smoke, bro. Oh, so bad. There's our little pupper over here. Nice, man. I miss this.
Did you?
I miss this. I wish mine would turn on.
Yours.
I know, right? I wish mine would turn on. Alright, guys. That's it for this episode. Definitely be putting more updates and info and everything. So, like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Body work hopefully soon. Maybe next week we'll be doing some more body work on the Corolla. So stay tuned. Are you vlogging while I'm vlogging?
What are you doing?
Are you vlogging while I'm vlogging?
Principal.
Whoa.
Calm the hell down.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Calm down.
Hold up.
Alright, get out of here.
You're telling me to calm down, buddy.
Alright.
My brother's trying to out vlog me. I don't know if it's working. Square up.
At
Square
Ailleric,
up.
alright.
Oh, here we go.
Plug,
Oh no.
like, subscribe.
Slash that like button.
Click that bell, that notification button.
Oh yeah, okay. Where can they find you on, Carlos? What's your channel? You don't even know your own channel?
I think
Look for me.
Just look for me. I'll put his channel link in the comments below, y'all.